Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. My name is Graham and welcome to my show. And today we got a very provocative title. Come on, you gotta click on it when you see a video titled Gold Digger Shames Poor Guy at Bar, Lives to Regret It by Darman. So with that said, guys, we gotta watch this video. We gotta see what it's all about, and we gotta see how the poor guy at the bar gets shamed as soon as you destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. With that said, let's begin.
What about that guy over there?
Look at the guy playing the piano. Did anyone notice that? See, I'm looking at the piano, and that dude is literally just pressing one key.
What about that guy over there?
That's it. It's just bing, and then just like bing. He's the worst piano player. So whatever, we're off to a bad start here already.
He looks like a nice guy.
Nice guy? I'm not looking for a nice guy. I'm looking for a guy that's rich.
How could she tell that already? Whether he's nice or whether he's a rich guy, he has his back turned to them. He's drinking. The only thing, he's dressed decently well. If anything to me, he looks like the rich guy. If you see a guy like that at the bar, already he's got to have, what would you say, 750 grand, $800,000, or he just came from work. But either way, he's dressed nicely.
Someone who drives a nice car. Maybe like a Porsche.
Yeah, but what happens if the dude driving a Porsche is like swimming in debt? The guy who has the nice house, but it's like, hey, he's like $1 away from getting foreclosed on. The Porsche, yeah, that could be taken away at any minute. She's got to think of these things. She's got to think of these scenarios. You know, you would rather have a guy living in a modest house but with millions of dollars in cash than a dude living in a nice mansion who doesn't have any money to spend on her. See, that's how she should be thinking.
That guy over there looks like he drives an old Volkswagen.
No, it doesn't. Not at all. What does she say? Listen, I'm looking at this guy and thinking he's probably got money. And I'm looking at her and thinking those aren't earrings she's wearing. Those are bracelets.
And now he's coming over here. Great.
Hi. Sorry to bother you. My name's Benjamin, and I just wanted to...
Not interested.
Oh, ouch. What if he was going to be like, I just wanted to let you know, you have toilet paper on the bottom of your shoe. Someone should have told you that. I'm really sorry to be the bearer of bad news here, but yeah, you might want to get that taken care of. What if he was doing that?
Well, actually, I was trying to talk to your friend here. I would love to have a drink with you at the bar if that's okay with you.
Wow, look at that. See, they shouldn't be friends to begin with. This friendship is already off to a rocky start.
Didn't we just tell you that we're not interested? Besides, we don't drink from the bar. We're VIP bottle service only.
See, I would hear that and think she's joking. Then the banter's on, be like,
oh, VIP bottle service only?
What would I say to that? I don't know. He could say something like,
oh, we got VIP bottle service back at my place. Let's go.
I don't know. That's bad.
So get lost, loser.
Okay. Sorry to bother you.
Hey, wait. I was gonna say, actually, I'd love to have a drink with you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Great.
I'll meet you over at the bar.
Okay, yeah. See you there.
Okay.
All right.
Wow, this is the most friendly bar conversation I've ever seen. It never works like this. In the bar, you're like,
hey, yo, come over here. Yeah, you.
or like you're just shouting and yelling, and it's so hard to hear anybody. Someone bumps up next to you, spills their beer on you. It's never this classy.
What are you doing?
Listen, and the piano players stop playing. He literally played 2 notes. It's like, all right, you know what? I'm done.
He clearly doesn't have any money.
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna guess what's gonna happen. Another guy dressed in a suit's gonna come in who she thinks has money, and he's the broke one. Let's see.
Looks like a nice guy. And that's all I care about. Besides, you should never judge a book by its cover.
See, this is exactly why you're gonna end up with a broke dude.
See, why doesn't she at least talk to him for a few minutes, feel him out, be like, hey, how'd you get here? Oh, you drove? Wow, okay, so when you drive, does it have 2 doors or 4 doors? 2 doors. Wow. How many exhaust tips on your 4? You have a quad exhaust. What? Must be a Porsche 911 Turbo. Wow, it is? Wow. See, you could at least make some small talk, kind of figure out like how much money he's making. She didn't even try.
I wouldn't be surprised if he made you pay for your own drinks.
Well, how you doing, beautiful?
I'm better now. What is your name?
Well, I'm Richard, but You can call me Rich.
Oh man, that's sly. See, here's the thing. If the other dude, all things considered, had the confidence and game of this guy walking up like that, and listen, he's got his neck just going around like that, you know? When you come up like that, you're like, hey, beautiful, how's it going? You do the neck like thing like that. Listen, that's confidence. It takes a lot of confidence to go and do that, but the other guy, a little bit more timid.
I like the sound of that.
Well, listen, I just ordered a bottle of champagne in the VIP. You should come join me.
VIP?
VIP.
VIP. VIP?
Yeah, VIP in the back.
Oh, yeah. Just give me 1 second.
I'll be in the VIP.
I love how he has to call it the VIP. No one in the VIP called it. We'll be in the back. Yeah, we're in the back room. Oh, that thing over there. We're right over there. Yeah, behind the ropes. That's it. You don't call it like the VIP. We're in the VIP. Yeah, I'll meet you in the VIP. We could do VIP things.
So, I don't think your friend likes me very much.
Well, she's a nice person, but all she cares about is finding a rich guy who drives something like a Porsche.
I feel like that's like every girl in LA.
Yeah.
Is that what you're looking for?
Oh, now he's putting her on the spot. Well, she's like, well, I'll settle for I don't know. I don't need a Porsche, but at least like a Ford Mustang and above. Listen, I think as long as it's a reliable piece of transportation, that's all that matters.
Oh, no. No, not me. No. No, as long as he's a nice guy and has a good heart, that's all that matters. How much money he has, it doesn't really make a difference.
Wow. That's so refreshing to hear.
Yeah, but what if she's lying? Maybe the whole twist of this, she's the one that's the gold digger. And she knew. She saw him pulling the valet, hand the Ferrari keys over, and she's like, yeah, that's my guy. So I'm going to tell him all he wants to hear, and I'm going to swoop in under the radar. The other girl's too obvious about it.
You seem like a great person. It's pretty hard to find that nowadays.
Yeah.
Here you are. They're on the house.
Thank you.
Wow, look at that. It's on the house. I wonder if he owns the entire place. That would be hilarious.
Here.
Wait, why did he just give these to you for free?
Don't worry about it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, imagine then she just wakes up in a bathtub full of ice, and then all of a sudden she looks down, and it's like she's missing her kidney, and the dude just running off, driving down his Lambo with like, you know, some organs, and he's selling them for a profit. I don't know. Never take a drink from strangers, unless it's iced coffee.
Serious.
Who wears that? That is quite the suit. That is quite. You know what? The bill's gonna come, and he's gonna be like, "Oh, I'm sorry, my credit card declined." Let's see.
Here you go, sir. Your bottle of champagne.
Thank you. Here you go. All right. Here you go. You can put it on this card, man.
Oh, the card's going to decline, guaranteed, because he didn't pay it down.
I could get used to this. VIP? Bottle service. I knew I liked you, Rich.
This is quite the VIP table. It's literally just in the back of the room, just the two of them, with one person just kind of pouring champagne. You don't need bottle service for that.
Well, do you?
Enjoy.
Thank you. All right. So after this, when we go back to my place, my car's parked right outside.
Ooh, that makes it easy, because she doesn't have to walk very far to get to his car, to get back to his place. So all the logistics are very simple for her to do that.
Yeah. I'd love that.
All right. So my car is right over there.
Look at this. It's honestly, I gotta say, that's a cool looking bar. All things considered, this is a type of place where, like, look at that. They got a cool clock in the back, nice mirrors, some good decor. If this were a bar, I would love it.
So my car is right over there.
Oh, wow. Is that a Porsche?
She's like, no, it's the Volkswagen Jetta right next to it. It's that car. She's like, wait, what? It's that car? No. I gotta get my friend.
Yeah, it is.
I knew it. I knew you had a nice car from the moment I saw you.
Oh no, it's not his. It's the other guy's car, and he's embarrassed. What if this is just a nice guy with really good intentions who's going above and beyond to impress her? He doesn't have any money, but he means well. And when she said that's your car, he just felt awkward. Let's see.
I gotta admit, I like you, Rich.
Oh, actually, that's not my car.
Well, which one is it?
It's this one, the Volkswagen.
I knew it! I knew it, it's the Volkswagen without the rim on it, of course. There's no hubcap on the car. But you know what? The guy means well. That's the thing. That's what bothers me. He does seem like a nice guy. Oh, maybe they're both nice guys.
What? You drive a Volkswagen?
What's wrong with that?
I can't be seen dating a guy who drives a crappy car.
Wow, he even assumed they're dating. What if he just wanted to, take her back to the place and that's it? Now he's like, oh crap, now she thinks we're dating. I got her a glass of champagne and now we're dating and, oh, you know what, too much.
I thought you had money.
I thought you were rich. You misled me because you said VIP bottle service. I can't be seen driving in a jet. What if nobody sees me in a nice car? What if all of my friends, what are they gonna think? What are my family gonna think? That you drive a Jetta and don't even have heated seats and they don't massage me down the street. I need that. This poor, I feel bad for him now.
Hey, I've been looking for you everywhere. Is everything okay?
Well, it was. It's not anymore.
What is this dude still doing standing there? I would just leave. I'd get in the car and leave. But you know what? Let's see.
Come on, let's get out of here. I'll call us an Uber.
Oh, Molly, you don't need to take an Uber. I can give you a ride.
What? No, she's not going in your busted whip wherever it is.
Oh, wow. She is full of it tonight. She is snappy. Where's her car? How did they get here?
It's actually right here.
What? This is your car.
Yeah.
I thought you were broke.
Based on what? Listen, this guy should have been wearing like a dirty t-shirt, some sweatpants, and sandals. Like that's what this dude should have been just wearing at the bar. He's dressed nice.
You didn't even have bottle service at the club.
Oh, wow. You didn't even buy coffee from Starbucks. You make it from home. No.
Gosh, you know what? He saved all the money from bottle service and he just got himself the car instead. It's a wash. It's just like maybe they both have the same amount of money. It's just one guy does bottle service, the other guy does the car. Maybe she didn't think of that.
I don't need bottle service because I actually own the club.
Oh, burn! She got wrecked. Jeez. His whole bottle service is just owning the entire place. That's how you do it.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it's one of many.
Well, that explains the free drinks.
Yeah.
Why didn't you tell me?
Well, I wanted to make sure that you liked me because of me, not because of my money. Can I give you that ride?
It's too early to tell. He revealed too many of his cards. Listen, like, there's only so much you could know after, like, a few hours at a bar. But now she knows. So, well, whatever.
You sure can.
Not only she get the nice guy, she got the nice guy with money. There she goes. She's playing a good game.
I'll meet you in the car. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Okay. Girl, you should have taken my advice. Never judge a book by its cover.
I could tell he was rich based on the fact that he was dressed nice at the bar and giving Buddy orders. I could tell he was the owner of the place because he bossed everyone around and was telling them to get back to work. You shouldn't judge a book by its cover.
I'll see you later.
This is the worst day ever. If you can afford bottle service, then why drive a crappy car?
Hey!
Is everything okay?
Well, no, actually, your credit card didn't go.
You know what would have been funny though? Imagine this, a double whammy for her. She's like, that's your car, it's a Volkswagen. He could be like, yeah, no, my Rolls Royce is in the shop right now. I needed a ride like immediately. I'm just driving one of my assistant's cars here. I know it's not ideal, but like my Ferrari's in the shop. That's what he should have said, you know? Then it's a double whammy on her. Then she revealed her cards and he was a rich guy too.
Through? Do you want to pay this with cash or your debit card?
Ooh, a debit card. Forbid him from paying with a debit card. I bet he's gonna ask her to cover it, or she's gonna have to pay up now.
Honestly, I don't have this type of money in my account.
Why did he do it then? Why? Why did he charge that when he doesn't have the money? He should know. See, that's unfair for the bar to be stuck with the tab that like I didn't have the money. Why did you order it then?
So I was trying to use credit.
Ooh, that's why. He's trying to use credit. Wow. He should really have done more due diligence on this lady of his first to make sure. He should have shown her the car first to make sure she was cool with the car.
Better figure something out.
Hey, I know this is gonna sound awkward, but do you mind paying for the bottle service?
Yeah, it's not fair on her either, though. I mean, I could see him being like,
Hey, can we split?
but you know what? He was the one who wanted her to do it. So I don't know. This is on him. This is his fault. How much? Wow. $442 for bottles. Or what do they get? Okay, 4 vodka cranberries. 4 vodka cranberries, $44. That's not terrible. For vodka cranberries, $11 each. That's not bad. 1 whiskey sour, $12. That's fine. It was the bottle of champagne for $2.94. That's what set them over the edge.
Hey, Darman.
Wow. Ooh, we didn't even get to see what happens after she slaps him. Maybe they get in an argument. Maybe he goes to jail. I want to see what happens after this. But you know what? Let's see a word from Darman.
Fam, make sure to subscribe to my channels and check out this next video. I know you're gonna love it.
I'm so excited. I think I know what it is.
Wow, the next video is gold digger dumps broke boyfriend, then regrets her decision. Wow. How about this? If you want to see me react to the next one, then all you gotta do is destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. If this video could get 10,000 likes, just 10,000, if we could do that, I'll go and react to this one as well. Now, before we end the video, one of my favorite things to do is go and read the comments section, because the top comments of these videos, they're brilliant. They're amazing. So, we got number 1 comment. Rice Man, don't judge a book by its cover, read the whole damn book. Oh, I like this. It's true. Never judge a book by its cover. Molly, he seems like a nice guy. Judging a book by its cover. Just imagine, he is quite the temper. Yeah, I like this one too. Rich guy wears any colorful polo. Gold diggers, poor. Poor guy wears a chain. Gold diggers, rich. I like that one a lot. That's a good comment. Moral of the story, find a guy who looks like a nerd, because chances are he's the rich one. So overall, the moral of the story here is to just basically assume everybody is rich until they prove otherwise. And that way, you never miss out on a good opportunity to get free drinks and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. So with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I post there pretty much daily, so if you want to be a part of it there, feel free to add me there, as in the podcast, The Iced Coffee Hour. New episodes being posted every single Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.